on the fam. Damn, I'm about to slam down my hand again on the table. Look around, everybody was able to make it, man. We had a good time. Picked up the paper plate, had made a steak. A few of them had the burger, and a couple's had a dog. But you know what I'm talking about? In the back of the bun and the hot dog sauce. It's cool, we're kicking it with you. I'm kicking it with you with my socks off, dude. I'm in the grass, having a good time. I'm smoking grass, chilling around low. You know it. My eyes are lowered, feeling hella good. We smoking green, chilling where I've been going. We just not going so slow. I'm feeling so good, chilling in the back of the hood. We feeling real good, puffing that sack of the good. Brother, brother, where you been? I said I'm here this whole time. I know you want to kick it with brother. It's been a long time since we even been around. Yeah, been around, yeah. Said brother, don't come back unless you come back with a good mind. Yeah, put that smile up on your face and know that we've been just chilling here. It's a good taste in your face. Got that red juice, you know that I do choose most of the time that I don't want to go back. I'ma chill right here, right here. I'ma feel real good like I'm sipping Vine beer. Every time through the year, every day, every minute of the hour, every second through that minute, I'ma get it, I'ma have to spit it every time I rhyme. I'ma shine from the top of the mind, you can feel mine. I'm never gonna stop, killer. How you feeling lately, man? I'm feeling iller. Back of the mind, I'm feeling wicked when I get it. Back of the mind, I'm feeling like I'm lost inside of time. You can just try to bring me back, it won't happen. It won't happen, I'm feeling alright now. I'm just chilling on a level plane. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? Ready to sit down now? I'll pass you a glass full of the ice with the water, and I'll cool you down now.